Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're rewinding the clock to the swinging 60s and diving into a true American classic, the 1966 Buick Wildcat Convertible. Known for its style, power, and luxury, the Wildcat sat proudly in the Buick lineup as a full-size car that mixed muscle with elegance. Let's take a closer look at its exterior, interior, performance, and wrap it up with a conclusion. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the 1966 Buick Wildcat Convertible was a bold statement on the road. Measuring over 18 feet long, this car was unmistakably large and imposing. The front end featured Buick's signature wide grille with stacked quad headlights that gave it a sophisticated yet aggressive appearance. Sculpted body lines flowed across its long, sleek profile, while chrome accents highlighted the car's curves. Out back, horizontal taillights stretched across the rear, emphasizing its width and presence. With the top down, the Wildcat exuded pure 60s cruising charm, the kind of car you could imagine gliding along the California coast on a summer evening. Interior. Moving to the interior, Buick designed the Wildcat with comfort and luxury in mind. Step inside, and you're greeted with wide, plush bench seats that could easily fit 6 passengers. Upholstery options included high-quality vinyl or cloth, with stylish trim and wood grain accents that gave the cabin an upscale vibe. The dashboard was clean and functional, featuring large, easy-to-read gauges and a sweeping speedometer. Buick also offered options like power windows, power seats, air conditioning, and even an AM/FM radio, which was a luxury for its time. The convertible top operated smoothly, transforming the Wildcat from a cozy coupe-like ride into an open-air cruiser in seconds. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance, where the Wildcat truly lived up to its name. Under the hood, buyers had a choice of big block V8 engines. The standard powerplant was a 401 cubic inch, Wildcat 445 inches V8, producing 325 horsepower and plenty of torque. For those wanting even more muscle, Buick offered the 425 cubic inch, Super Wildcat, V8, pushing up to 360 horsepower with dual 4-barrel carburetors. Paired with either a 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, or the smooth Buick Super Turbine automatic transmission, the Wildcat delivered both thrilling acceleration and effortless cruising power. Despite its size, the car handled impressively well for a full-size convertible, with Buick's advanced suspension setup providing a smooth and stable ride. Power steering and power brakes came standard, making this big machine surprisingly easy to control. In conclusion, the 1966 Buick Wildcat Convertible was more than just a car. It was a statement of style, power, and American automotive luxury. With its sleek design, comfortable interior, and roaring V8 performance, it stood as a bridge between Buick's reputation for refinement and the muscle car craze of the 1960s. Today, it remains a highly collectible classic, perfect for anyone who appreciates open-top cruising with plenty of horsepower under the hood. So, what do you think about the 1966 Buick Wildcat Convertible? Would you take this beauty for a spin with the top down? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more classic car spotlights.